We are at a touch haunt with an infection outbreak and the clickers are closing in. Welcome to the Haunted Hotel's Last Survivors event, where making it out alive is not guaranteed.
Come on!
Oh boy.
Come on!
Oh no.
I don't want to go up there.
I don't either.
Watch your step as you come
Whoa!
please.
You!
Okay.
Whoa! Yeah. You do it!
You got any bites on you?
Any what?
Bite marks!
No, don't lie to me.
You know what happens when you lie here, don't you?
I do not say.
What about you? Got any bites?
Not that I'm aware of.
Put your head up. I think you got one up right here. Right there.
There might be.
Listen to me and listen to me closely. Do you know what you are doing in my house tonight?
No.
You are here to get the fuck out. You get to my room and you get to the helicopter. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Go.
I am Master Sergeant Stu. I'll be your escort to the rooftop.
Lindsay?
Let's go.
All right, guys,
We can't-
don't forget before we get into the Haunted Hotel real quick, if you want to find other haunts like this near you, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. Little step right there on the sidewalk. But anyway, we've got all of our full reviews with ratings on there. We're going to put all of our Scream scores on there, and sign up for our newsletter while you're at it. It's called Haunt Advisor, and we're going to send you all the links to all of our new videos, all of our new reviews, any new haunts that we find. So go check it out, sign up, do all the things. Let's get back in here to the hotel.
Uh-oh.
All right, then, everybody. All
Yeah,
right,
I think
everybody
so.
accounted for. Hoorah! All right,
1, 2,
let's
3,
go. Hoorah! Whoa!
Uh-oh. Oh,
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Watch the step. Get against the wall. That's not a
Tell
wall.
me
That's
what?
a door.
not yet. Not yet.
Anywho, you will be making your way to my rooftop. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Lieutenant Bongo.
Thank you. Why did you not answer me?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Excuse?
She's too
You
scared.
were asked to answer a question. It's a yes or no. It's simple. Is that understood?
Yes. Good. Thank you for answering. Anywho, Master Sergeant Stu will be taking you up to the rooftop. If you lose him, what do you do?
Yeah. Die.
No, you keep moving. Do you really want to die?
No.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Give up that easy.
I was gonna cry.
No, you cannot stay in the corner
She
and
is
cry.
not gonna cry.
If you sit
She
there
is
and cry, you will definitely fucking die.
You will die if you cry.
Yes.
Right. Now I need y'all to follow me once we get up there.
Okay.
Because I doubt y'all know where the helicopter is, unless you're a know-it-all. Are you a know-it-all?
You said something about the roof.
Yes. The roof.
The roof is on fire.
No. No, there's a helicopter. Uh-oh.
I don't know. I think
All right, change of plan.
It seems like
I
it's on
gotta
fire.
release the cable.
Oh.
We're taking an alternate route.
Don't release the cable!
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't release the cable!
Oh.
We have to go to the basement level. There's a staircase leading to the rooftop.
That seems
However,
not efficient.
that's where the infected are. They're sensitive to sound.
Oh.
So I need y'all to be quiet and follow me.
We're
We
gonna
don't
fail.
like
Brace for impact.
Brace for impact!
Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm.
We're going to the basement!
We reached the basement level. I need y'all to be quiet and follow me.
The clickers are down here.
Hello.
Uh-oh, I hear it.
You come, huh? You think you come, huh? Oh yeah. Go. Find the staircase. I'll try to hold them off. Double
Oh
time.
no, don't let that thing
go.
move. Holy shit.
I'll try to hold them off.
He's holding them off. Oh god, he's gonna catch us. He's gonna get us. Oh, what is that? Oh, is that a clicker?
Nope.
Oh, it's behind you!
Oh my god, what is that?
Lindsay!
I
It's
can't
gonna
save
fight
you.
us! Holy shit! Oh, okay. I don't like these things! Oh
I don't
my.
either.
You sound so creepy!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no. No!
You're not safe.
Okay.
No, we're not.
I see that. Oh, shit. The floor got you good. Holy cow. Okay. I think the freezer is safe.
The hotel is no longer a
Uh-oh, the hotel is now. Oh boy.
That doesn't sound good, Nora.
This is no longer a safe zone. They didn't tell us that.
Oh no! My group!
I'm sorry, I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh no.
Oh God.
Friends.
Shower!
Oh,
Why are we in the apocalypse and there's human things hanging? This doesn't seem right. Was that something behind you? No. I don't like it.
I don't either.
Fudge.
Whoa.
here she goes.
Out here! Lindsay! Shut up!
Hotel is no longer a part of the safe zone. You are in danger. Evacuate.
Okay.
Attention congregators of the...
Oh no, they're getting Tracy. I'm coming. Whoa.
Come on, Lucy, get up!
The hotel is...
We're at 161. Holy shit. Oh, they said be quiet. Not today, Satan. Oh no. We're trying to be quiet. Oh.
No, you were bad.
You're right. That's not why. That's just blood. It's just blood.
What'd you do?
Oh, I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
What'd you do?
Nothing. Nothing.
No, what'd you do? No, he doesn't. Save yourself.
No. Guys, they're gonna come after us next.
Go.
Oh, there's a chair there.
Alright, we're probably good, maybe.
Oh my God.
Hopefully.
I need a bucket of water.
We gotta go.
Go. Save yourself.
Oh man, RIP that guy. Something just came up behind me and got me. Something just touched me.
Are you
gone?
Oh my God. Oh God. Holy moly. It's a shit clicker.
Oh my God.
Okay.
You're attracted to sound. You will have to be quiet. Come on. I don't know if there's any more ahead or not, but you all have to stay quiet because they won't hear us. Come on.
Okay, we'll be quiet. Man. Oh. Oh crap. We're not being quiet.
Ooh, it stinks so good in here.
No.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh.
Whoa.
Everything's okay. They said this was a safe zone. Yeah. Do you like pets? How about pets? Do you like pets? Nope. That's a no. That's a big no. Oh! She's on the ground. Oh, we're getting surrounded. No! You have to help me. You have to help me.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. He's spiraling.
No.
He's spiraling.
I'm okay.
You're God. Look at his face. He's spiraling. Oh shit.
Go.
Go, Tyler! It was trying to get us killed. Oh my God.
I've had one of those days. Oh.
You have to help me.
Yeah? Leave my.
He's infected.
I'm okay.
Shut the f up! Look at his face. He's infected. He's infected. We gotta get to the safe zone.
Oh no.
We gotta get to the safe zone. Oh,
Why is the alarm going off?
I don't know. I don't like it.
Oh God. Nope. That's okay. You stay over
No,
there.
she don't like pets either. Oh, shoot. Oh my. Oh.
All right.
You're being loud. You're being really loud. Yeah. The other ones will hear us.
Oh man, they done got her.
She's been rode hard.
Government has issued a national warning for all citizens of the United States.
Yeah, for that right there.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Oh, yeah. No, I hear it. I don't hear nothing. Shoot.
Oh, no, not necessary. Nope.
Bye. They got Tyler.
All right.
They got Tyler. We're 161.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We're 160.
The fog is absolutely fogging tonight.
Yeah. It's on point.
Oh my god, I can't see shit, dude. Okay.
Man, them chainsaw guys are mean. I don't think they want us here.
Whoa, all right, hi. Nope.
I'm trying to be quiet. It's not working. Oh my god. Lindsay, it's behind us. No. No.
Look, I don't want no trouble. I'm just gonna keep going right on by.
It's a clicker. Hi. I got a friend.
Hi.
We're at the end of the world.
Oh my god, what the hell is that?
I don't know. That one looks like it is manifested into something else. That one's not quite, Okay! Nope. I am not a treat. No! Tyler, throw it a different thing or something. No! Stop it!
You've almost made it. Just
Thank you. Uh-huh.
No, go play with Nora.
We're almost safe. No, I'm not Nora. That's Nora. That's totally Nora.
No.
No! He makes better human jerky.
We have some unwell people here.
No.
This is normal.
No, I feel like it is.
Pretty regular day.
What the hell is that?
I don't know, but I hear it. Holy crap.
Whoa. There it
That
is.
just ate something, I'm telling you. I heard it. No. You stay back there.
What the hell
It's
is
coming
it?
out.
Let's go!
Come on, Lindsay!
We're going.
I can't, Lindsay, he bit me!
No, we gotta get to the rally point. Let's go.
I'm checking her.
Where's the rest of them?
Just this.
I don't see nothing.
They got bit.
I don't see nothing on this one. She looks good.
He's definitely been bit.
We're gonna keep her safe.
No.
We're gonna keep this one good.
That one.
This one?
That one was
Definitely
bit.
been bit.
She's gonna breathe in the spores.
She's a biter.
Oh.
I think you are.
Crap.
You're breathing in the spores now.
Let's go. Come on.
Lindsay!
Come on now.
Oh crap. Oh god. Oh my god! Holy crap! Why? Why? Shit! No! No! You go back! You go back! You go back in there! No! You go back! Woo!
I didn't see no heady chopper.
At the moment we're at a... No!
Okay.
Why? Oh my god. They just
At a
sacrificed us.
166 right now, and for a final score of 86.7.
Hi. Oh no!
No. Sure. I don't trust
Right
it.
here.
Oh no.
You been bit?
Oh, I'm the only one that didn't get bit. This is
I don't trust it
crazy.
one bit. Let me see your arms. Hold them out.
Let me see. Oh.
No!